y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Stampin' Up video. I'm still a Stampin' Up demonstrator for 3 more months. They're giving me 3 more months to give it a try because of as of the beginning of February, I believe it was, I was no longer a demonstrator because of not making sales, but I had called and talked to them, and so they were giving me 3 more months because of health issues and stuff that I've been having. So they thought they'd give me 3 more months to see if I could make sales and be able to you know, make some sales and make any money that, you know, within those 3 months and all, and get anything going that way. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that I am still a demonstrator, and I'm going to link down below and try to remember to post it on the screen here, a host code, so that if you want to order anything, you can use that host code, and that will help me out as well when you order and everything. And also, if you'll please remember to give this video a thumbs up, please share this video. That helps me and lets other people see the video, lets YouTube know that you like it when you thumbs it up and share it. Also, if you're not a subscriber yet, please remember to subscribe. You know, click the subscribe button, click the bell, and also please leave me a comment down below. So we'll get started here, and I'll show you what I did. This is I just wanted to show you quickly. My mom's birthday was is this month, and this was a stamp set from Christmas, and I wanted to show you that, you know, just because a stamp set is in Christmas, you don't have to use it in Christmas. I didn't get to show you anything from Christmas that I did with this, so I thought I would show you a birthday card that I made with it. This came with this was the TOILE Tidings Christmas. You could get this, you could get the dies, and it came with paper and all kinds of stuff, and you can still get it in the catalog. So I got just about everything in the collection. I mean, it came with wrapping paper. I didn't get the wrapping paper. I don't think I got the embellishments because I had gotten other stuff that I wanted to try too, but I did get like the paper and this and the dies. So, and this paper is beautiful. I will link down below or up in the cards what I did get from that Christmas haul, if you'd like to see that. But anyway, here's what I made with this. Since I did one, I also decorated the envelope. I always decorate my envelopes. But what I did, and I used an embossing card here, and I'm trying to remember what embossing card I used. Because I didn't grab it, so I don't know right offhand what embossing card, but you can use any embossing card. Stampin' Up's got plenty of embossing cards. So what I did is I cut out several of these, and these little branches. I got a bunch of them here, and I cut the swirls out and everything. And I didn't do the little tags. I used one of the punches, the Stampin' Up punches, and I cut them out. But you can see here where I used my little swirls that they had here. And I did do the bird. I stamped the bird out. I'm sorry, you can't see over there. I stamped the bird out, colored him in, and then cut the bird out. And then I stamped this image out and cut it out with the, and colored all that in. I colored a branch in here, and then some of these I just cut out and then placed around because they were embossed, and I just wanted some depth here. And I used some like stickles, I believe it was, just for some glitter here. This I actually used emboss. I did some embossing there on here. I think I used a little glitter in the eye. So I did use the alcohol markers when I colored in everything. So, and then of course all this is the papers from the TOILE tidings. And like I said, this is beautiful paper. What I did is I didn't use the green, I'm sorry. I used a piece of the one of each. Because here, actually, here's the scraps. So I put a piece of this down, then I put a piece of that down. And I used the very vanilla instead of the white. So I hope I'm explaining this all. And I haven't done really anything inside yet because I am going to use Happy Birthday. Put down Happy Birthday. When I ordered a bunch of ink and some other things, we've had during February, we've been having some special deals going on with Stampin' Up. So like if you order $50, you get like a free gift. $100 you get a free gift, you know, and it goes on like that. So I was able to get like a free stamp set, and I chose the Happy Birthday to You stamp set. I liked this one reason, because this one will coordinate with the new paper pumpkin kit that's coming out for this month in February. So I definitely wanted to get that. And so I was able to get this free, and I'm going to use this Happy Birthday to put inside here to go inside her card. So, and then like I said, I stamped this, and I did use Real Red, Shaded Spruce, and I think Mossy Meadow were the colors that I used, and then just stamped the envelope to match. I do wish I had a little bit not so bright white envelope to match, more of a cream envelope, you know, like the card base was, but that was all I had. Because this is Whisper White, so I wish I'd have had, I'm sorry, not Whisper White, very vanilla. This was very vanilla, so I wish I'd have had a very vanilla envelope. But this was all I had, because I used a large, it's not a smaller card, it was a larger card. So I hope I've got everything in frame so y'all can see that. But I was actually very pleased with how that turned out, and I wanted to share that with y'all and tell y'all about that, and also let y'all know that we do have a very special paper pumpkin coming out for March. March is Paper Pumpkin's birthday, and they are planning on putting in a free stamp set. So if you are not a member of Paper Pumpkin, if you don't get Paper Pumpkin yet, this would be a good time to try them out. You don't have to continue getting them or anything like that if you don't like it. You just want to get one and try it out. Be my guest. But it'd be a good time to sign up now and sign up to get that March Paper Pumpkin and give it a try. You get a free stamp set. It always comes with a free, you know, you get one, like for instance, if you've never seen one, let me just show you what one looks like here. This is, make some room here. This is January right here. I haven't even done anything with it. It comes with, it tells you about stuff, gives you your instructions. It usually tells you about like what's coming next. Gives you your instruction sheets. Gives you a little measurement down here, your full instructions. Then everything you need will be right in here. If it's your first kit, here's your stamps. Oh, that ink don't go in there. You get your ink spot, your stamps, your adhesive dots. Actually, those are from, I think, another kit. Because here's all the no, actually no, I think I remember now. They give you extra adhesive dots in this one because I think I heard these were not sticking properly in here. You get dimensionals, twine, and then you get whatever kit is. Each kit is different, so you get all. This was the kit for January, which I haven't really done anything with. I've not been messing with my kits for some reason this month. I've been a little bit behind, so I want to do something with it. I like to mix my kits, so you always get your kits. So that's what was in this kit. And for March, they're going to be putting in an extra stamp set, from what I understand. So you get like free 2 stamp sets, and you can always use these and mix and match them with. Like I've got a little box. I put all my, I stamp them out on a little card. I just take this whole thing off like this. I'll put ink on it and then stamp it down on like a card or piece of paper, but cut it that size, stamp it up with ink, press it down so I have an image, mark it, say what the name of the kit is, what month it's from and year, and then I put it in a little like file box with that and the stamp set. But you can keep it however you want. And then I just, a lot of times I keep the stuff in the box, or I'm trying to figure out a better way to organize it so I don't have all these boxes. But I like to mix and match all my kits and with other supplies and make all kinds of different cards or other paper projects. But that's what your kits basically come with, like that. Just different supplies. Sometimes it's not cards, sometimes it might be other paper, you know, products. But they're always fun to see what's coming in them each month. So I just wanted to share all that with you. So I thank you for watching and appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Remember to keep watching for more videos, and I'll see you again soon, and have a blessed day.